everybody, this is
Marcus
and Dietmar from Motorcycle Reviews, and today we are going to have a closer look on this nice bike. It's a Royal Enfield HIMALAYAN, an adventure bike, and yeah, in the next 10 minutes we're going to test this bike for you.
Sorry.
We hope you are going to have a lot of fun, so stay tuned. Yeah, so now we drove the Royal Enfield Himalayan for a few hours, and we would like to tell you a little bit about our first impressions on this bike. Yeah, Marcus, what do you think about the Royal Enfield Himalayan?
Really nice bike. I have to say I really had a lot of fun on this bike. Surely it's nothing for those who want to drive very fast and sporty.
No race bike.
No race bike at all. More for individualists and maybe a little against the higher, faster, further.
Yeah.
So I really like it.
Yeah, it's good if you want to slow down a little bit.
Yeah.
But what I have to admit is, before this review, I thought, well, 24 horsepower, this is nothing. But in the end, it's enough.
Yeah.
And I never had the feeling that I never missed power or something. It's okay. It's not a race bike, to be honest, but it's also, in my opinion, a very beautiful bike. If you look at it, it looks very, it looks robust, but also very nice. Everything is made, reliable. To me, it seems like you can do millions of kilometers with this bike without having any trouble.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's talk a little bit about the price. This price in Germany is about 4,700 euros. I don't know the price exactly in the US or in England, but should be very cheap as well there.
Really attractive price.
And yeah, if you compare this to used bikes, for instance, the Honda Transalp 700, which is maybe a little bit the same category. Okay, more power, but in the end, it's also an adventure bike. I would not hesitate to buy this new bike because it has the same price.
Yeah,
so very, very good bike, and I also had a lot of fun with it. Yo, that was our review of the Royal Enfield Himalayan. We had a lot of fun with this bike.
Yes, we had.
We hope that you also had some fun with our video. We are, as you probably already saw, we come from Germany. Our English is not that good, but anyhow, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please look on our channel. We are going to test motorcycles once a week. Every week, one new review. Hope to see you soon. Have a good time. Bye-bye.
Bye.